it slides under these two mounts. So you have to jack the body up, take these out. You gotta trim the top piece of this rubber off. So today in the shop, we have a set of Barricade brand sliders we're gonna install on this nice clean TJ. So on these, it slides under these two mounts. So you have to jack the body up, take these out. You gotta trim the top piece of this rubber off because the slider goes in between the rubber and the metal, right here where my finger's at. So I already got jacked up. I've done took these out, clean them off. So now we're gonna install this, clamp it up, and drill holes in the body and try to get these things knocked out. Alright, so as you can see, this is the Barricade sliders. I told you about this one is installed. I told you about doing the mounts, cutting them off. You have to undo, and it's got good instructions in their kit. But if you got the little door edge trim here, as you see in the video, I had to hold it there and mark that off and cut it so that way this sets flush to the body and don't match on that. You do have to undo all the body bolts, the front radiator and the 3 down the side and the 2 in the rear, so you can jack the body up to get them mounts out like I was talking about to cut them. Pretty simple, straightforward install. They have good instructions. Other than the body of this Jeep's a little off back here, they fit snug. Just make sure, as you seen me doing, don't tighten these body mounts down until you get this up where it's up against the body here and flat against the side. And I use that rag to put in between my clamp to clamp it to the body, and it recommends clamping or vice grip, whatever. So fairly easy. These are nice Allen head bolts. Comes with washers for outside and inside. 17 millimeter socket on the nut, and it is a H6. I don't know if you probably can't see that. Anyway, 6 millimeter little Allen. Pretty simple install. Altogether, about an hour aside. Time you take the bolts out and lift the body up, make sure there is a lip under here, the main support. I had to jack back here start with, but this plate, you can't get it in place, so I had to move it up here. So just stay as far back as you can at that mount, so I had to pick up even. But other than that, they look good. Clean little TJ. Hope this maybe helps somebody out. They can kind of watch it, see my install. I know it was a little fast on time lapse, but just kind of show you step by step, tell you step by step. I mean, you got instructions, but sometimes it's easier to put it on video. So that's it. We're gonna go do the other side. I won't bore you with that because it's gonna look the same, do the same as this side. When you do this, I don't think it says instructions, but go ahead and loosen the body mounts on the other side. I tighten these back just down enough to hold it, but they are still a little loose, so that you can pick that. It just makes it easier when you're picking the Jeep up. It don't pull on the body so bad. It makes it go up easier. So that's it. That's what they look like. So As always, we appreciate you watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate the support. And if you want any Squatchy Off-Road merchandise, check out our website, squatchyoffroad.com. We got t-shirts. We got some new stuff coming soon. We got decals, all kinds of stuff. Just check us out. Appreciate it, guys. See you later.